So in this video we are going to do some long division. So first thing we need to do is to see which number goes where. Realistically, if you just want to ballpark it, 300 divided by 7, you know that's going to be greater than 1. That's obvious. So we have our two options. 7 goes into 325, or 325 goes into 7. 7 goes into 325 at least a certain amount of times before you get the decimal, but 325 does not go into 7. So we know that's incorrect. So based off that, we can see that the 7, or the bottom number, will always go on the outside. So let's start that. 7 goes into 325. 7 goes into 3 how many times? 0. 7 goes into 32 how many times? Well, 7, 14, 21, 28, 4. So 7 minus, we'll do this, minus 28. And you always change the sign when you do it. Oops. There with the 4 remainder. So now we need to bring down this 5. 7 goes into 45 now. Does it? Yes. How many times? Well, let's think. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 6, let's try that. Well, 7 times 6 is 42. So now 45 minus 42, we're left with 3. And we ran out of numbers to bring down. And what does that mean when we ran out of numbers? Bring a decimal. And now we have the imaginary zeros we can start to bring down. So now does 7 go into 3? No, goes into 30, because you have to bring that decimal down. So 7 goes into 35 5 times, so that should go into 4 times. 7 times 4 is 28, which gets you the remainder of 2. Oh, we have no more numbers to bring down. So bring down that imaginary 0. Does 7 go into 20? Yes. 7 goes into 21 3 times, so 7 would go into 22 times, which is 14, which leaves a 6 remainder. Bring down your imaginary 0. 60. So 7 times 8 is 56. So we'll bring that 8 over there. 8 times 7, 56, with a remainder of 4. And as you can see, it looks like this one is going to continue to go. So we'll just do the one more term. Goes into 35, 7 times 5. Okay, so that's minus 35, 5. So more or less, now we could say that we can see that it isn't going to end nicely. So our final answer will be 325 divided by 7 equals 46, with a remainder of 0.428. I'll fix that. And let's round it to 2 decimal places actually. So that's 0.43. So now let's write that with the remainder in fraction form, which is 46 over 43 hundredths. And can you reduce 43? The answer is no. So then that would be our final answer.